If you can't detect your SIM card and the files on it, here is an easy way how to open them on your Android device. So the first variant is through a file manager. If you don't have this app, it might have a different name like My Files. So the idea is gonna be pretty much the same. It's a pre-installed system app, so locate your My Files, in my case, right? So open up My Files, then scroll down until you find your SD card. It will be in your storage section. So here you'll see different variants such as internal storage, dual messenger, network storage, Google Drive, OneDrive, and your SD card. So tap on it, and here you can find all of the files which you have there. And basically, that's it for this method. The second method is alternative one. It won't work on Samsung phones, however, it will work on most of the phones, so I'll show it to you. Open up your settings. After that, we gotta scroll down to our storage section. In my case, it's named Battery and Device Care. Here you can find your storage. So here's your storage. So, and if you're gonna swipe to the right, you'll find your SD card. And luckily, on Samsung's, it's not available from this tab. However, on most phones, you can simply tap on it and it will open up. And basically, that's it. For better file management and easier access, you can reuse both methods depending on your needs. And basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.